Let's get a check now of our storm team forecast with meteorologist Lisa Green. And are we in the 20s?
We are in the 20s. Yeah, so if you park outside, you're going to need to warm up your car. It's going to be frosty this morning. And of course, maybe put on that extra layer here today too. Here's a look at what those numbers are looking like. We're at 29 degrees in Fargo and in Grand Forks, looking at 30 in Detroit Lakes and Hallock, and Badette's at 30 degrees. It's 28 over in Jamestown, and our coldest temperature this morning is 25 degrees in Foston. So everybody here in the valley below the freezing mark. A chilly start to our morning this morning. All that rain and snow cleared out last night, and the temperatures plummeted with the clearing skies. And today we'll start off on a quiet note, but things are changing coming up here for the forecast pretty quickly too. We do want to take a look at our visibility. It was pretty low yesterday. Now we're looking at good numbers coming in for the valley. Everybody reporting, or almost everybody reporting, that 10-mile report that we like to see. And wind coming in out of the west, it's about 5 to 15 miles per hour, so not very strong at all. So the wind not doing a whole lot to help us with temperatures. Here's a look at our radar and satellite map. We are clear, we're quiet. We've got a beautiful view of the stars here this morning, but of course you're going to have to bundle up if you're going to go out and take those in here. And as we expand the view, still looking pretty quiet across the tri-state area as well this morning. So it's not quite yet that we'll see that next system move in, but gradually that will take over for today. So here's a look at that hour-by-hour planner. This is 7 a.m. You can see we're looking quiet. We'll have nice, beautiful sunshine to start off today. And I think the first half of the day we'll be doing just fine. It'll just be cool. We're looking at some 30s by 9 a.m. and then heading toward noon, we'll be into the upper 30s to some low 40s at that point. The wind out of the southwest trying to bring in some warmer air for us. It'll be a struggle though today. It's going to be a cool one. And then heading into the 3 o'clock hour, we see those clouds start to move into the southern valley. Northern Valley, we're looking quieter there. We can expect more sun there. So most of your daytime hours will be on the sunny side in the Northern Valley. And then heading into the late afternoon, more clouds spread in, and temperatures will be into the 40s today. And that's it. That's as warm as we'll get. So a cool one. Notice what's happening though at 5. The moisture with this system starting to push in. So we're looking at the rain, perhaps a little bit of a mix in pink there, lifting northward. And as we head into the 9 o'clock hour and temperatures start to dip, look what we've got going on out west. The potential for some rain switching over to snow around 9 o'clock in places like Jamestown and over by Devil's Lake. And that just kind of continues to move northward. We might see some more mixing happening as those temperatures continue to drop overnight. This is midnight, though there will be a lot of areas that are getting rain too at that point. Heading into the morning, more areas of potential snow, and some of this could accumulate on some of those colder surfaces. And this is 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. You could see there's still some snow ongoing at that point, and some rain too mixed in there with wind out of the southeast. And heading into the rather afternoon hours for tomorrow, we'll still see some of this rain and the snow lingering around for your Friday, with the noon hour featuring that snow and rain up in the Northern Valley, but Southern Valley doesn't mean that we're quite done with that chance for precip just yet. In fact, we may be seeing some rain showers Friday evening. So rainy, just unpleasant conditions. And I know Friday night's a big night for high school football fans, and some of those field conditions may not be so great. And it's going to be chilly. We're looking at temperatures into the 30s by 10 o'clock for tomorrow night. So some unsettled weather continues, and in fact, we're talking about some rain and some snow. Here's a look at the beet harvest in full swing there. This is in East Grand Forks. Thanks, David, for sharing that. And a look at your 7-day planner. We're looking at some numbers that are going to be quite cool still. Saturday should be a quieter day, but heading into Sunday, our next system approaches for the end of the weekend and into the start of next week. So unsettled, again, the bottom line, and more than just that, cold to go with it, and that means snow chances too. Tomorrow could be, or I should say this evening into tomorrow could be interesting.
I was trying to dig out winter jackets for my children
It was so
last
cold
night.
this morning.
I know. I was like, oh, I'm not ready for this change.
Here we are.
Thank you, Lisa.